Hey, what's happening, guys? It's your man Cashmere, Rich K. RZA, coming to you live and direct out of Chi-Town. I'm super excited about what's happening with my Free Life team. We have a new Freelife Extreme program that's up and running that is going to help people to become 100% bill free. Just follow me to the end of this presentation, and I'm sure you will agree that you can do this. You can eliminate your monthly bills. What we put into effect right now, guys, is our Free Life Extreme Fast Track program. I'm going to fast track $2,500 into your account. I can do that within 1 week if you work with me. If you come over here and take this serious, we can knock $2,500 off your bills. What that means is this: that's money that's able to stay in your pocket for you to be able to do the things that you want to do. Let's dive right in. Welcome to Free Life Extreme Fast Track. This is about to blow your mind. Imagine what life would be like if you did not have to pay any more monthly bills. No more rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, no more utility bills, or no more life essential costs. What if you had money coming in each and every month to cover your lifestyle expenses? That would be amazing, right? Of course it would. Your life would dramatically change if you didn't have to pay any more monthly bills and had positive money coming in. Well, what I'm about to introduce you is a crowdfunding strategy that we have designed in 2012. We put it together in 2012, and we've been running it ever since. And it's helping our people to eliminate all of their monthly bills. Now, what is crowdfunding? Let's take a really brief look at this. A lot of us are familiar with GoFundMe and different crowdfunding platforms as that. This is a crowdfunding platform that's targeted directly at monthly bills. Never been created before. This is something brand new, and everybody should jump on this and experience this. Now, let's take a look at crowdfunding. The true definition of crowdfunding is this: crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet and or offline. Crowdfunding is a form of crowdsourcing and considered a great source for alternative financing. In 2015, over 34 billion was raised worldwide by crowdfunding. 34 billion, guys, that is a lot of money. So a much more simple definition would be this: crowdfunding is helping people to help people. That's it. Crowdfunding is simply people helping people. That's all we're doing, working together. Now let's look at our objective over here at the Free Life Network. The target objective is to eliminate all monthly bills. Many people struggle monthly trying to make ends meet just in order to have enough money to cover bills and financial needs. That's hard, isn't it? Yeah, I'm sure it is. If we eliminate the monthly bills and install monthly income, financial freedom can be obtained in record-breaking time. Furthermore, our sights are set on the elimination of the following 6 life-draining components plaguing your life right now. Now, this is probably plaguing some of you that's watching this, but we're going to help you to eliminate it if you allow us to. We want to help you to eliminate your rent and mortgage, car loans, insurance, utilities and service, life essential costs, lifestyles, and then one of the main things we want to get rid of is that dead-end 9-to-5 job, guys. We have no more bills. No more bills mean that we do not have to get out of that bed and drag to that job, right? By eliminating these specific monthly expenses, each member of the Free Life Network will be able to live a 100% free life. How? By helping each other. Simple, right? Let's try a little exercise. I want to show you how simple this is. Everybody has a smartphone. Everybody has a smartphone. If you go into your smartphone and go into your contact list, find 5 or 6 people, guys, 5 or 6 people that you know that would love to be 150% bill free. Take those 5 or 6 people, show them this video, show them this webinar, show them how they can be bill free, and bring them into your network. Now you have other people that's also eliminating their bills while they're helping you to eliminate yours. They're going to have people that's helping them to eliminate their bills. Very simple. Just take 5 or 6 at first to see how simple this is, because I guarantee you this: you cannot go into your phone and find anyone that wants to pay bills. You won't. But if you go in there and look for people that don't, if you just at the church, how many people at the church would love to be bill free? How many people at your job would love to be bill free? That means that you will never run out of people to help become bill free. That's why this system and this program just works, guys. A brief synopsis of this is that we're going to show you how to eliminate all of those monthly bills. Now let's look at the taxes. Everybody say, well, what the taxes are? Well, 2002 to 2005, you can receive up to 11,000 in donations. Don't have to worry any taxes on it. 2006, 2008, 12,000. Let's speed it up. Let's go to 2018, 2019. You can receive up to 15,000 in crowdfunding or gifts that you didn't have to pay taxes on. The way our program is designed is even better. Check it out. You will receive a maximum of only $6,000 per year per person in donations. So you well up under the $15,000 radar. You don't have to worry about it. And plus, we're going to show you how to do it in also Bitcoin. We're going to show you how to do it in Bitcoin also. Now, what we do is this. This is how it's done. We build power lines. Power lines are super simple to build. All you do is just like I said, go into your phone, find 5 or 6 people. Now, remember, these numbers are for illustration purposes only. 5, 6, 10. Those are illustration. You can bring as many as you would like, guys. A power line is our donation structure, which consists of one donation recipient, which is you, and a minimum of 6 donors, right? A minimum, no maximum, but a minimum you want to try to bring in this is 6 people. Our goal is to build as many power lines as possible. Each power line has a donation potential of $3,000 per power line. That means every 5 or 6 people you bring in, that's $3,000 per month, because this is residual money. Amazing, right? Power line responsibility. A donation recipient, which is you, it is your responsibility to build each of your lifeline or power lines by adding a minimum of 6 donators. By doing this, these will be people that you know, you have a connection with, which means that you will have a greater chance for success over here. Super simple, guys. Remember what I said. Each one of your power lines are worth $3,000 to you. I'm going to show you how this is a residual program where you never have to pay out of your pocket for residuals. Let's go over here and let's look at our power lines, guys. Before we do that, I want to ask you one question. Would you invest into yourself $110 one time, just once, to eliminate all of your monthly bills? 110 one time to eliminate all of your monthly bills. Of course you would, man. That just makes sense. What you're about to see in this illustration below is a simple yet powerful crowdfunding strategy that can be used to eliminate not just some, but all of your monthly bills. The strategy is called Freelife Network's Extreme Power Play. The Extreme Power Play strategy consists of only $110 one time and a minimum of 6 of your friends that don't want to pay bills. Now, if you follow this simple yet powerful crowdfunding strategy, it will create for you a life-changing income. Now, let's dive directly into this. We want to do our fast track 2,500. Like I told you, I want to knock 2,500 into your account this week. 2,500 into your account this week. You can do that in less than 7 days if you follow this simple system. Now, remember, I told you, you don't have to go out there on no big recruiting. Just grab some people in your phone that don't want to pay bills. Let's get started. This is our scale. This is our tracking scale of how we do this. Over here in lane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, this is what you see. These are the things we're eliminating: rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility bills, life essential costs, lifestyle. These are the things we're eliminating bills for, and we're putting money into your lifestyle. Now, these are our donation packages because you are creating a crowdfunding portfolio consisting of 5 portfolio pieces, which are these. These are your donors. Bam, 6. Same 6, excuse me, same 6. This is your donations received. These are the donations based upon the 6 people times the 100. These are your package upgrades. To take possession of each one of the pages is 100. But this is the most important section. Spill over, baby. Look at that spillover. And I'm going to show you how to get 25 really quick. Let's go. First thing you're going to do, you're going to send $100 into your sponsors rents and mortgage crowdfunding page. You're going to do it the same way that people are going to do you. You're going to send 100 into your sponsors rent and mortgage page. Now let's do this really quickly so you can get this. Send $100 into your sponsors rent a mortgage portfolio. Then at that point, grab those 6 people that we previously talked about, bring them in. Each one of them are going to do the same to you, paying into your rents and mortgage crowdfunding portfolio. That's going to give you $600. From the 600, you're going to simply take possession of the next crowdfunding piece, which is car loan insurance for 100, and bank the other 5. That's yours now. You've already knocked 500 off of your rent in one fell swoop. Wow. That's yours to spend. Go to the mall, pay your bills, whatever. Now, here come your 6 people, because duplicating this is the key. They're going to bring in 5 or 6 of their friends, right? Everybody has somebody that don't want to pay bills, right? When they do that, they're going to now give you $100 each, the same way you did your sponsor, to go into car loan insurance. That's going to give you $600 more dollars. From that 600, pinch off another little measly 100, bank another 5. Bam, you just went into your utilities and services. We're going to do the same thing again. Here come your 6 people following you, taking possession of the utilities page. Time the 6 people is 600. Take another 100, pinch that off, send that on in. Bam. Keep another 5. You're already $1,500 in your pocket. Remember, we're going for 25 in power line number one. Now, here come your people duplicating on power line number one, going into life essentials at 100. Time to 6 is another 600. Pinch off, bam, another 100. Little simple 100. Send that into your lifestyles page. Now you completed your portfolio. You also banked another what? 5, bam. Here come your people, da-da, bringing you another 100 per for the lifestyle page, which is another 600. Now look, guys, bam, nothing else to invest because you have all of the pages. That's going to give you a total of $3,000 brought in, minus the 500 for each one of the pages you bought. That's going to give you 2,500 in spillover. We just did it. 2,500 in your pocket in no time flat, guys. Let's build another power line and see how powerful this thing is. Go grab another 6. You always want to grab a fresh 6 people, right? Another 6. These 6 are going to now come in because now you have no more pages to pay for. They're all yours. You have nothing else to invest. So now you're just moving pages. 100 is going in for that one. Those 6 people is going to give you 600. Nothing else to pay. Bam, 600 into your account. Let's do one more. Going into your next crowdfunding page. Now, they're going to give you 100 for car loan. You don't have to spend anything. You already own the pages. Time to 6 people, another 600. Bam. Continue that progression all the way down till they reach the lifestyle page. Another 600 brought in. Bam, 600. Now, when you add that 3,000 to your previous 2,500 in monthly residuals, you are already up now to $5,500 in monthly residuals from a $110 investment, guys. Let's do another one. Let's keep it going. Bam. Bring in a fresh 6. That's only 18 people you've helped to be bill free. Just 18. And you're already over $5,500. They're going to take possession of the rent and mortgage page. You have nothing else to invest in. No more donations. Right? Bam. You're going to take possession of another 600 that's going to go into your account. Bam. 6. Do it one more time. Here comes somebody else, right? Here come your same 6 going into that car loan page again. Time to 6 people. Bam. Another 6. Continue that progression through that next power line. You're going to collect another 6 into the account. Add that to your previous, right? That's another 3,000 going up on top of your 5,500. You're up to 8,500. One more, guys. Let's do 4. Let's let the 4 represent 4 weeks. Let's let 4 power lines represent 4 weeks. Here we go. You're going to bring in a fresh 6. That's only 24 people you've helped, and you're already up to almost 10 grand. Okay? They're going to come in, take possession of the rents and mortgages at 100. You're going to now collect another 600 because that's 6 times that 100. Bam, going into your account. Continue that progression through power line number 4. That's going to give you another 3,000. Add it to your 8,500 for a total of 11,500 in monthly residuals. Now, you want to say monthly residuals, do I have to pay it out of my pocket? No, because all of that is covered out of power line number 1. Your residuals are covered in power line number 1, and it is not coming out of your pocket. Amazing, right, guys? We came over here to knock off 2,500. We've knocked off over $11,000, guys. And that could be done in less than 4 weeks. And just keep going. Continue to build power lines. Never stop. That's just 4 power lines. What happened when you got 10 power lines? 15 guys. It's amazing. It's amazing what it is that you can do. So once again, man, I'm super excited about this program. I'm sure you could tell because I get worked up every time I go through the numbers to introduce this to somebody. I'm excited about this. I know that this can change your life if you give it a chance. The question is this: would you be willing to invest $110 one time to eliminate all of your monthly bills and put positive cash flow coming into your house, helping your family each and every month? And the only thing you're doing is helping other people to do the same thing. Would you do that? I'm sure you would. So this is your man Cashman Rich. I would like to welcome you to the Free Life Network and to Free Life Extreme. Get back to the person that sent you this. If it was me, get back in touch with me so I can get you set up, get you going. 110 one time. And I'm going to help you straight through this. We have webinars and seminars. And if you would, please subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel. So this is Cashmere Rich, and I would like to welcome you to the Free Life Network. Let's eliminate your rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance payment this week. See you on the inside. Love you.